Hi friends, we're going to be studying using 2, 2, and 2. And you can find this on page 158 and 159. Okay, here's our notes. Let's do some highlighting. Using 2, 2, and 2, they all sound alike. They sound alike, but they're spelled different, and they have different meanings. So that's the key right there. They all sound alike, but you have to spell them correctly because they have different meanings. How do you do this? Clues in the sentence can help you. Clues in the sentence can help you. Okay, so this to, T-O, it means in the direction of. So if you can think of direction. For example, I went to school. It's giving you a direction. This is the number 2. So think of that as a number. I ate 2 plums. Okay? And then T-O-O means also or more than enough. More than enough. So I ate pears too. Now if you have it at the end, you can say also. So a really good trick to use for that is to say, can I put also right here? Yep. So then it would be T-O-O. I ate pears too, or I ate pears also. I ate too much. Would it make sense if I said I ate also much? That wouldn't make sense, but we can use T-O-O here in this situation. Okay? All right, let's do on page 159, number 8 through 14. Okay, they want us to choose the correct 2, 2, or 2. For example, we went to the park. So that's a direction, so we're going to do 2. Shayna and I invited our parents along too. Now remember that you can also put the word also for 2. If it makes sense, then you know how to spell it. Shayna and I invited our parents along also. Okay, so remember there's the word also. So it's T-O-O. Number 9, 2 park rangers greeted us. So there's rangers is with an S, so that tells me there's more than one. So it would have to be, it's not a direction. It's not a direction, and they're not talking about more than enough. It has to be the number 2. 2. We're using the clues in the sentence. They pointed to a long trail. Okay? They pointed to a long trail. So is it talking about a number? Number 2 trail? No. Is it talking, can we put the word also in here? They pointed also a long, nope, that doesn't make sense either. So it has to be talking about T-O. Okay. Number 11, the trail led to a beautiful lake. The trail led to a beautiful lake. Okay, so is this going to be the number 2 beautiful lake? No, that doesn't make sense. Is it going to be also the trail led also a beautiful lake? No, that doesn't make sense. So again, this is a direction to direction of the lake. Okay. Number 12, we hiked for 2 hours. Okay, there's an S on the end of this. That means there's more than one. So it is a number, 2 hours. Number 13, it was not too hard for us. It was not too hard for us. So it was not also hard for us. Well, that kind of makes sense. But I know also it needs to go at the end, usually. But if I had more than, remember we said it's more than enough, it could be two different ones. It was not more than enough or hard for us. That makes sense. So number 13 is 2. Number 14, we reached the lake at 2 o'clock. Now we know that has to be a number. Okay, nice job, friends. Kiss your brain.